Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to count heart in jar 1 to 10. Let's start. How many hearts are in the jars? Count and write the amount below. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Write the number 8 in the box. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Write the number 7 in the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write the number 9 in the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write the number 6 in the box. Let's repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Well done, kids. You're doing great. Good job. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.